ayan, brown na ang ating chicken. Let's add our mushroom para ma-absorb din niya yung ating liquid.
Hey, Teban!
Yeoooph!
Yo!
Yeoooph, at ito ang ingredients natin sa ating chicken and cream of mushroom. Siyempre, meron tayong 2 kilos chicken, 200 grams button mushroom, 1 whole bell pepper, 1 big potato, onion and garlic, 1 can of reduced cream, 1 big can of creamy mushroom soup, and of course, salt and pepper. At syempre, chicken cubes. Yeoooph!
Let's put oil to saute our onion and garlic. So, transparent na yung ating onions. Let's add the garlic. Okay, so light brown na yung color ng garlic. So, let's add our chicken. Okay, so iba-brown lang natin yung chicken natin. So, ayan, brown na ang ating chicken. Let's add the chicken cubes. And let's add pepper. Let's just mix. So, yung chicken, nagtubig na siya ng sarili niya on its own juice. So, papakuluan lang natin siya. Dagdagan natin siya ng water. And then, papakuluin natin siya hanggang sa lumambot na yung chicken. Yup! Okay, so, let's cover. And wait for it to boil. And then, once it boils, we'll lower the heat and simmer hanggang sa maging tender na yung chicken. Yup!
A few moments later.
Let's check if our chicken is tender. So, medyo may lambot na siya. So, we add the potatoes. Yan. So, para sabay na silang lumambot. Yan. Lagay na rin natin yung cream of mushroom soup. Yan. Yan. Then, just mix. Yan. So, papakuluin lang natin siya hanggang sa lumambot na lahat ng ating chicken, potatoes. Let's add also the reduced cream or pwede ring fresh cream if you want or Nestle cream. So, halo lang. Tapos, papakuluin lang din natin hanggang sa mag-thicken siya at mag-reduce yung ating liquid. Okay, so kumukulo na siya. Let's add our mushroom para ma-absorb din niya yung ating liquid. And then just mix. Let's just continue to simmer at ng ating chicken. Yeoooph! Ayan, so habang inaantay nating maluto yung mushroom at saka medyo mag-reduce pa rin yung ating sauce, ilagay na natin yung bell pepper. Para sabay na rin siyang maluto with the mushroom. Tapos, we can add seasoning, salt, and a little bit of sugar. So, ito depende sa panlasa ninyo. Kung if you're on the sweet side or on the salty side, yun. So, pwede na natin siya ngayong lagyan ng seasoning. And then, again, simmer until all our ingredients are thoroughly cooked. Yeoooph! Ayan, nag-reduce na yung ating sauce, cream of mushroom sauce, and thick na rin yung ating sauce. So, luto na ang ating chicken in cream of mushroom sauce. Yeoooph!